A very warm welcome to my YouTube channel Time to Do. I hope you all are working very hard. So friends, if you are new to my channel, then you can subscribe to my channel for more videos. Today's topic is about GST and time supply. As you all know that in the previous video I have described about GST and its types. You can check the video. I have given link in the description about GST and its type. Today we will discuss about time of supply. In normal words, time of supply is a measure under the GST law for every transaction entered into by the supplier of goods and services. It means the point in time when goods have been deemed to be supplied or services have been deemed to be provided for the determined when the taxpayer is liable to pay taxes. The other meaning is the point in time when the goods and services are considered supplied. That is, goods and services have a separate basis to identify the time of supply. Other points it goods and services are not consumed or the same place, so the other place where it is consumed have right to apply GST. When the seller knows the time, it helps him to identify due date for payment of taxes. All type of GST must be paid at the time of supply. Goods and services have a separate basis to identify their time of supply. So it is clear that when a good is supplied, then it is not consumed on the similar place. When it will reach in the other place, if the other place is in another state, then the state will apply GST. If the good will enter to other union territory, then union territory GST will be applied. GST type will vary from place to place. In the economic terms, supply refers to the production of any good and then transported to another place, and time of supply means the time when the good or services will enter the border of another state, another union territory, or another country. If we are exporting or importing goods, then tax also applied. So GST and the time supply are the two terms when the goods and services are produced and GST is applied on them. So friends, I hope this topic is clear to you. For more videos, you can subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. God bless you all.